Hello children, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and this is a continuation video of my last video in which I discussed the topic conjunctions. So we have done what are conjunctions and we have done the types of conjunctions in brief. So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words that join or that link two sentences or words. Okay, so we discussed the types of conjunctions. So there are three types of conjunctions. The first type was coordinating conjunctions, the second type was subordinating conjunctions, and the third type was correlative conjunctions. Alright, so this video is the continuation video in which we will discuss in detail all the three types of conjunctions. So our first type is again coordinating conjunctions. Now, what are coordinating conjunctions? Conjunctions that connects independent words and sentences. Independent words and sentences. Independent means that both the sentences or both the words are not dependent on each other. So the example, for example, let's take the example, I like coffee. I don't like tea. Alright. Now, the example is I like coffee, I don't like tea. Now, both these sentences are separate sentences. They are individual sentences. I like coffee, I don't like tea. I can say I like coffee, okay, and I can also say I don't like tea. तो हम इन दोनों को independently भी बोल सकते हैं, okay? So they are individual sentences, two individual sentences, alright? But if I connect these sentences, I like coffee, but I don't like tea. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. Now, the conjunction here used is but, but. Okay? So, I like coffee is one sentence, I don't like tea is another. But we have used but in between and made this a single sentence. So, conjunctions are conjunctions that connects independent sentences are called coordinating conjunctions. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Okay? So, there are 7 types of coordinating conjunctions. We did 3 types in our last video, and, or, and, but. Okay? So, for is also a coordinating conjunction, and is also a coordinating conjunction, nor is also a coordinating conjunction, but is also a coordinating conjunction, or is also a coordinating conjunction, yet is also a coordinating conjunction, and last one is so. So is also a coordinating conjunction. So we have 7 coordinating conjunctions: F, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay. Now, many children have the query that ma'am, how we learn all these 7 coordinating conjunctions. We forget 1 or 2 coordinating conjunctions every time. So children, we have a trick to learn these coordinating conjunctions. Let's take the first letter of every word. For का first letter F, first letter of and A, and first letter of nor is N. So F-A-N, F-A-N, fan. The first letter of but is B, or is O, Y is yet is Y, and so is S. So B-O-Y-S, B-O-Y-S, fan boys. So this is the word, this is the trick, ठीक है, जिससे हमें ये all these 7 coordinating conjunctions always mind में रहेंगे. हमें ये word हमेशा याद रहेगा, fan boys, and with this we will remember all these 7 words. कैसे? F से for, A से and, N से nor, B से but, O से or, Y से yet, and S से so. So always remember this word in order to learn all the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Alright. So fan boys, for and nor, but, or, yet, so. These are the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Now we will discuss the usage of all these 7 coordinating conjunctions. That for का हिंदी में meaning क्या होता है, and then we will make sentences using the word for. Alright. So let's continue. I told you to learn the word fan boys. For and nor, but, or, yet, and so. So first we will be discussing the word for. Okay, for. So for means क्योंकि. Alright. अब for और because almost same होते हैं. Because means भी क्योंकि I didn't go to school because I was ill. So for also means क्योंकि I didn't go to school, क्योंकि मैं I was not well. ठीक है. So the example. First I'll write the Hindi meaning of for. That is क्योंकि. Now I'll write the reason. That why? Because it explains reason or purpose. That's why its meaning is क्योंकि. क्योंकि reason बता रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं बीमार थी इसलिए मैं स्कूल नहीं गई. So क्योंकि. क्योंकि means explaining reason or purpose. Okay. Now the example is he is tired for he works hard. He is tired for he works hard. Because can also be used in place of for, and for can also be used in place of because. They are almost same. So he is tired for he works hard. I could have also written he is tired because he works hard. Alright. So we can use both these terms. But here for means explaining reason or purpose. वो थक गया था इसीलिए, sorry, वो उसने work hard किया इसीलिए वो थक गया. He is tired for he works hard. ठीक है. उसने work hard किया, that's why he is tired. So this was the explanation for. That for means क्योंकि, and it explains the reason or purpose. Our second word is and. And is the most common conjunction. We all know this. And means or. ठीक है. English वाला or नहीं children. This is Hindi वाला or. एग्जाम्पल, शी लव्स ईटिंग पिज्जा, everyone loves eating pizza, she loves eating pizza and burger. So and in addition to, पिज्जा भी और बर्गर भी, ऐसा नहीं है कि चॉइस दिया हमने कि पिज्जा या फिर बर्गर, नो, एंड मीन्स दोनों को लेके चलना, पिज्जा भी अच्छा लगता है उसे एंड बर्गर भी. सो शी लव्स ईटिंग पिज्जा एंड बर्गर. So this was our second word, and means or, and it means in addition to. All right, pizza and burger. Our third word is nor. Okay, now nor means nahi. And not. ओके, सो अगर हम इसका एग्जाम्पल लें, he doesn't drink nor smoke. He doesn't drink nor smoke. So nor means ना ही, ना तो वो ड्रिंक करता ना स्मोक करता. So he doesn't drink nor smoke. So here nor means nahi. Okay, and not. Drink to nahi, and also not smoke. All right. So this was our explanation for the word nor. Also, children, I told you that if we have nor individually, it is coordinating conjunction, and if we have nor with neither nor. Okay, so it means that it is correlative conjunction. पेयर में आ गया nor, it means correlative है, and individual आ गया, it means it is coordinating conjunction. Now let's come to our next word, that is but. But is again a very common conjunction. Okay, but means लेकिन. All right, and it means shows contrast. मतलब टू ऑपोजिट चीज बोल देना, this but this. All right, so contrast means opposite. Okay, for example, I have a pen but there is no ink. I have a pen but there is no ink. मेरे पास पेन तो है बट उसमें इंक नहीं है, लेकिन. Alright, this is also a very common conjunction, but. So it shows contrast. Sorry, it shows contrast means opposite चीजें. मेरे पास पेन तो है पर इंक नहीं है, ठीक है. So this was our explanation for but. Now our next explanation is for the word or. और नाउ और पढ़ते ही हमें समझ में आता है कि हमें चॉइस दी जा रही है. और मीन्स या, सो इट प्रेजेंट्स अ चॉइस. वुड यू लाइक टू हैव टी और कॉफी? और सिंपली वी कैन राइट डू यू वांट टी और कॉफी? डू यू वांट टी और कॉफी? अब इट मीन्स दैट दोनों नहीं मिल रहे हैं, हमें एक चूज करना है, ठीक है. एंड का मतलब होता है हमें दोनों साथ लेके चलना है. एंड और मीन्स चॉइस, या तो ये या फिर ये. तो या होता है इसका मीनिंग. और मीन्स या, इट प्रेजेंट्स अ चॉइस. सो और जब भी आता है हमेशा चॉइस आती है. डू यू वांट टी और कॉफी, राइट? सो आवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज येट. येट मीन्स फिर भी. Sorry, children. फिर भी. Alright, and फिर भी, and it also presents a contrast. But not similar to this contrast. ये तो opposite हो गया. फिर भी मतलब ये हुआ, फिर भी ये हो गया, तो ये भी एक contrast ही हो गया. ठीक है? So for example, it was early, yet we were all ready for bed. It was early, yet we were all ready for bed. So now, yet means फिर भी हम सोने के लिए रेडी थे. बहुत अभी टाइम नहीं हुआ था, फिर भी हम सोने के लिए रेडी थे. So it means ये भी एक कॉन्ट्रास्ट ही हो गया, बट ऑपोजिट वाला नहीं, वो वाला दूसरा कॉन्ट्रास्ट. ठीक है? So this was our explanation for the word yet, and now our last explanation is for the word so, and after this we will complete our first type of conjunction, which is coordinating conjunction. So means इसलिए. Indicates consequence, कि ये हुआ इसलिए ये हुआ. So again, ये हुआ इसलिए ये हुआ. So the lady was ill, so she went home. The lady was ill, so she went home. लेडी बीमार थी इसीलिए वो घर चली गई. सो इसीलिए. ऑलराइट, नाउ देयर इज वन मोर यूसेज ऑफ द वर्ड सो, व्हिच इज इतना. द लाइन वाज सो लॉन्ग. द लाइन वाज सो लॉन्ग. इतना. सो के दो मीनिंग होते हैं. एक तो इसलिए, इट इंडिकेट्स कॉन्सिक्वेंस. देन द लेडी वाज इल, so she went home. And also so means इतना. the line was so long, बहुत लंबी थी लाइन. ठीक है? so एक हमें इसमें क्वांटिटी बताई गई कि कितना. so the line was so long. all right, also children, we have one more meaning for yet. Yet means फिर भी, and yet also means अभी तक. अभी तक. did she call you yet? Did she call you yet? क्या उसने अभी तक आपको फोन किया? तो अभी तक. ठीक है? So we have two meanings for so, and we have two meanings for yet also. So with this we have completed our first type of conjunction, that is coordinating conjunction. And always remember this word fan, boys. With this you will remember all the 7 coordinating conjunctions. all right, so after this let's come to the next type of conjunction, which is subordinating conjunctions. So now the second type of conjunction is subordinating conjunctions. Now what are subordinating conjunctions? That connects dependent sentence with the rest of the sentence. Connects dependent sentence with the rest of the सेंटेंस. सो एक डिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस है और उसको रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस के साथ कनेक्ट करना, दिस इज सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. ऑलराइट, एंड ऑल्सो इट इज यूज्ड बिफोर द डिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस. जहां पे भी डिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस आएगा वी विल यूज सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. कैसे? I will keep on dreaming until my dreams come true. If I write, I will keep on dreaming until my dreams come true. So, until is the conjunction here. Alright, and it is subordinating conjunctions. Why? Because the first sentence is dependent on the second sentence. कैसे? I will keep on dreaming. मैं ड्रीम करती रहूंगी. कब तक? जब तक मेरी ड्रीम्स सच नहीं हो जाती. So एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट है. I will keep on dreaming and my dreams come true. Individually इनका वो मीनिंग नहीं है जो until ने बीच में आके ऐड कर दिया. ठीक है? Until ने इन दोनों को ऐसे कनेक्ट किया कि इनका एक मीनिंग ही बदल गया. I will keep on dreaming until my dreams come true. Our second example is, when I see you smile, I can face the world. Now here again, when is a conjunction. Why? Because it is adding a meaning to both the sentences. I see you smile, I can face the world. I see you smile, I can face the world. इनका individually meaning नहीं है, but when we added when I see you smile, I can face the world. So when gave meaning to both these sentences. So these are the dependent sentences. ये ऐसे sentences हैं जो individually जिनका meaning नहीं है. Okay, so this was subordinating conjunction, and we have more subordinating conjunctions like because, if, as, since. ठीक है? Although and many more. Now we can't count subordinating conjunctions. Also children, कुछ queries मेरे पास ये भी आती हैं कि हमें ये समझ में नहीं आता कि subordinating conjunctions कितने होते हैं. So for that हमें ये पता है कि coordinating conjunctions 7 होते हैं. ठीक है? And correlative conjunctions pairs में होते हैं. तो जो बचे वो सब subordinating conjunctions में हम put कर सकते हैं. Okay, so certain examples are because, if, as, since, although and so on. Alright, and अगर pair में नहीं है and if वो 7 नहीं है जो हमने coordinating में करे हैं तो वो सारे subordinating हैं. Okay, and वो 7 remember, for remembering those 7 coordinating conjunctions, I gave you the trick fanboys. So with that you will remember those words, and पेयर वाले तो हमें वैसे ही पता चल जाएंगे. तो ये सिर्फ जो रह गए, those words which are left, those are subordinating conjunctions. Alright, now let's come to the last type of conjunction, which is correlative conjunctions. So the third type of conjunctions are correlative conjunctions. And the trick to remember these type of conjunction is very easy, that they are always used in pairs. Okay, you can have either tea or coffee. First example is, you can have either tea or coffee. So either and or. अब ये पेयर में है, so they are correlative conjunctions. One more example, he is not only intelligent but also very funny. He is not only intelligent but also very funny. So in this sentence we have conjunction not only but also. So not only and but also is again a pair, so they are correlative conjunctions. We have many other correlative conjunctions. Some of them are neither nor. Okay, either or, we have done example also. Alright, not only but also. Not only but also. This is also a correlative conjunction. If then. If it started raining, then I'll take a leave. So if and then, ये भी एक टाइप के correlative conjunctions हैं. If and then, okay. Neither nor, both and. This is also a conjunction. Both Reena and Meena went to attend the show. So both and. This is also a pair of conjunction, and all these conjunctions are correlative conjunctions. So children, we discussed three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are conjunctions that connect two independent sentences. Alright, and we have 7 coordinating conjunctions. And the secret word to remember those 7 conjunctions are fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys. Alright, then we talked about subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join a dependent sentence and the rest of the sentence. Okay, and examples of subordinating conjunctions are because, if, although, as. Alright, and the third type of conjunction is correlative conjunctions, and these conjunctions are always used in pairs. Examples are neither nor, either or, not only but also, if, then, both, and. Alright, so this was a topic, conjunctions and type of conjunctions. So in 2 videos we discussed both conjunctions and type of conjunctions. Okay, so I'll come up with more topics. Until then, if you have any problem, any query, please mention in our comment section below, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.